15 versus Ultra, 4K 60 frames per second from the front-facing camera. I think those cameras are identical. Probably, most likely, the same. Vlogging style. Video stabilization. Do we have autofocus on front-facing camera? No, we don't. Moving on. And with the wide-angle lens, which one is wider? Oh, definitely Ultra. Look at the building. The full building in the frame. Also full in the regular version, but way more in the Ultra. And I do have autofocus in wide-angle lens. It's very easy to test that. Example on the ground. It's going to focus. It won't, but we do have autofocus, but there's a firmware update needed for the Ultra. You see, it won't focus immediately. Oh, now it's focusing, you see? See the difference? Significant. All kinds of details on the Ultra, blurry on the regular. Alright. Switching to the main lens. Oh, I forgot. Going back. Vlogging style. If you're vlogged on the smartphones, this is how it's going to look like. Nice. And now the main lens, which is Level 8900. Ooh, such a great bokeh and quick focus on the Ultra. It's a huge advantage to the regular version. Super impressive. Really nice. Check this out. Wow. See, Level 8900 is the best in the market, so... Oh, why is it not focusing on the regular version? Come on, focus. A bit slow. Alright. There you go. And in the realm of telephoto, you can do vehicles. For example, license plates. Or maybe a balcony would be nice too. We definitely can read on the Ultra. I don't think we can on the regular version. That's a no-go. Like that building. Wow, nice in both of them. They're both really good, but Ultra is of course Ultra. Balconies, quick. Video stabilization on the main lens. And balconies again. See the difference? On 10x, I can do 15 in both of them. Wow, and of course 30. That's the maximum. That's also very clear. And 15.
Spent all day lost in your shadow. Hearts racing with a quiet echo. You walk by and time's a blur. In my head you're everything a word. I'm dreaming of a scene unsaid, a secret life around in your head, caught between the now and maybe someday. Hoping you'll look my way. I see you and I lose control, daydreaming about a part of your soul. Every glance, every move, got me spinning. Could I be the one in your world tonight? You're living life in high def, while I'm here painting what ifs. Every step a beat in my heart, imagining a story where we never part. Whispers of hope in every side. I'm chasing dreams that make me fly. In the silent moments before the night, I wish you'd see the spark in my life. I see you and I lose control, daydreaming about a part of your soul. Every glance, every move got me spinning. Could I be the one in your world tonight? In the quiet of the night, I feel the full what might be right. If you just dance my way, maybe we could rewrite day. Just a heartbeat the way. Lost in the rhythm of you and me. I see you and I lose control, thinking about body and soul.
And in conclusion, of course, Ultra is the #1 telephoto in the world. The best. There's no smartphone in the world which could beat that. Just unbelievable. New king of the telephoto experience. And the regular version is still not a slouch. In photo department, they're pretty close. Of course, when you use that huge telephoto lens, it will, of course. But which one will you choose? Let me know in the comment below. I'm getting the small one because it feels better in the hand. See you next video.